Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a bar graph that you can use to represent your voltage, current, and power at all three speeds for your wind turbine. So I'm going to be putting some fake data in here. You should be putting in data that's probably going to look a little different than mine. The first thing we need to do is we need to set up our data table. So this first cell, A1, I'm going to put the title speed. In A2, I'm going to put voltage, and we measured it in volts. So we put that there. Current was measured in milliamps. We make sure that we put that unit there. And then power is our third measurement, and that was measured in milliwatts. All right, my speeds were high, medium, and low. And so now I just need to put in the data that I collected using the Vernier software. All right, so let's say my voltage for the high one was 2, and for the medium was 1.5. I'm just putting in numbers. Okay, I wanted to put 1.5 there. All right, let's do current. I'm just going to put in numbers. Okay, and power, let's just, again, throw in some numbers. All right, so now I've got my data in there. Your data is going to be more specific to your particular wind turbine. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to highlight everything. All right, so I've highlighted all of my information, and now I want to tell Google Sheets to make a graph from it. So I'm going to go over and click the graph. Now it defaults to making line graphs, and that's not what I want. I want to have a comparison, and that's what bar graphs do. So I'm going to come down here and select bar graphs. Let me see, I think I've got some. I'll just select this one. All right, this one would work. You can either have your speed down on the bottom there, but you can see the speed high, medium, and low. It has put bars that are in blue are voltage, red are current, and yellow are power. And so this allows me to compare high, medium, and low speeds for all three of those variables all at one time. And this is the graph that you want to take a screenshot of and insert for prototype 1 as well as for prototype 2. You'll also use this method to make a bar graph that compares prototype 1 and prototype 2 together. So this is how you make a bar graph using Google Sheets.